Listen, we're gonna hit shallow and we're gonna kite, okay? Be careful from that hodge. I need guard rooms on that hodge always. Everybody, be more north, be more north, be more north. We're gonna go northeast to choke, okay? Be more north. Everybody, be more north. Perma, care. That's fake. That's fake. Look for me. 5, 4. Wait. In 3, in 2, 1. Hit me now. And kite now. They have brawl. Kite north. Keep going. Greetings, hold them. Kite north. Neptune, come back. Where are you, Neptune? Help Neptune. Where is Neptune?
I'm here.
Go north. We one guy almost dead. Holy fuck.
That's their rock column.
Okay, we kill one. You listen. Look for me. 5 seconds. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. And kite now. Kite again. It's okay. Kite again. Cleanse. And heal me. He'll crown. Kite north now. Good. Kite north. Yeah, I need your CDs now. My boys. I need your CDs.
Ready.
Look for me. Shallow engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now.
There was a bomb squad behind us for someone.
I know. Go northeast. Go northeast choke. Didn't hold them. Demons be ready. Go northeast choke. Yo, everybody come back. Everybody, help Colmog. Heal tricks. Walk. Look west. 5. Look south. Look south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Give me these 2 kills. And kite back now. Holy fuck, this fucking cobra, bro. You be ready to resi in case they get good engage. You cleanse and kite.
Come northeast.
Care, real man coming. Real man away from the choke. Kite back northeast. Heal everybody. Now wait. We're gonna hit this choke. Listen, we care from the core. Real man, okay? They will try to flank us probably. Yeah, real man trying to flank us. Okay, Everybody walk north. Walk north with me. You can't be ready to catch real men. Be ready to catch them.
They mounted.
Okay. I thought they will flank us from behind.
Relentless on the road, southeast.
Okay, they know there's third party. Mount up. You dismount when you see me and walk. We have to be careful. Netlin, I need you to watch our back line.
They're
Okay?
running away. Where are they?
No, they're not running away. If they were running away, they would have run away already.
But the mount should stay on them.
Netlin, you're gonna watch our backside. Okay? If somebody come from our backside or any other position, you're gonna watch them. Okay? You turn back. Everybody turn back. Turn back now.
They might be on your office. I think they might.
I know. Turn back now.
Mega hand and CP
Catch 5. Can you GA? 4.
No. I'm too far.
Okay, walk with me. Stay here. Hold them. Hold them. You go back now. Demons be ready. Okay, Demons be ready. Yo, my guard rooms be on this hodge always. Okay, you look for the hodge always. Go back. Kite back now. Okay, now look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. DPS. What the fuck? Go back now.
There's a battle mount, say.
Go back now. Listen, we're gonna kite south, okay? South. Care shallow, D-tanks, come back. Listen, my DPS to follow with me, okay?
Easy dodge.
Netlin, you keep scouting real man. Netlin, you keep scouting real man, okay?
Real man southwest, 2 GS.
Yeah. You look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Okay, now go back. Now kite back. It's okay. Kite back. Be ready. Defense, be ready. They're looking. Keep kiting. Good swap, bro. Good swap. Come back. Yo, Shivam. Help my friend. Oh my God, Shivam. Heal Kolmak.
Engage ready.
I know. Just beat them on the shock. Kite back a bit. Little bit more. Look shallow on this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. I need the skills, boys. Now kite back now. Carving late. Kite back now. Didn't hold them. It's okay. Didn't hold them. Go west now. Since you guys already west, go west. You help my friend. Walk up. I know. Walk up. Deep. We have to go deep. Okay, we have to go deep. Walk up. Look for me. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop. Come back. Go back. Just go back. Now, Dream, don't overextend, come back. We need to kill these tanks, boys.
Engage.
Heal some crown. Walk inside them now, walk inside them. Didn't hold them. Everybody look for me. DPs. Everybody come to me, DPs. We're gonna kill. DPs 5,
Engage.
DPs 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. DPs with this crown. Oh my god.
The Rumen is mounted. Yeah,
Okay, go north. Don't go back. Go north here. Don't go back to the choke. Don't go back to the choke. Go north here. Change position. Kidnap this healer on the east. Kidnap these guys in the east. Look at this perma. Kidnap him. Defend. They're engaging someone. Okay, they engage.
Engage ready.
Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Give me the skills. I need kills, boys. Now go north. DPS, boys. What the fuck? Hold your ease. Hit with me. What the fuck are you guys doing? We have 2 permas, we have 2 reef glaives, we have fucking spirit hunter, spike. Still not killing, bro. You're not gonna play DPS if you're not recording this fight. Look on this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, just stop. Leave it.
The real man is behind Relentless.
You only watch real men if they come from our behind, okay, bro? And you let me know. Stop panicking. We can do
Oh,
it.
Meta Monkey and please.
Engage ready.
I know.
Yeah,
Wait.
no.
We soak first. Yo, we gotta soak first. I'm lagging a bit. We soak first. Care shallow. Okay.
Right, northwest.
Care shallow.
Right,
Care shallow.
northwest.
Okay, look for me deep. Not deep. We're gonna soak first. They are looking now. We're gonna soak first. Okay, See, they're looking. If you are not DPS, don't be in the choke. If you are not DPS, don't be in the choke. Maz, you're too in front. The moment you get out of the root room, they can engage on you. Care, they're coming. I know. That's fake. That's fake, bro. Look at this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the tank on me. It's okay. Go. Kite a bit. Care, you guys are clumping so hard.
They're coming, Engage. Careful.
I know. They missed. They got hit. They hit my knight armor. Care shallow. Tricks. Care shallow. Tofu. Care shallow. You guys are clumping. They're engaging shallow. Everybody walk. They miss. Walk. Just walk. Slowly walk. Look deep west. I need my deep west on me. Okay. Everybody get ready. 5, 4.
Both of them left.
Wait. 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Kill this. Good shit. Now spread now. Don't go to the choke. Spread here. You watch,
Railman
I'm lagging a bit. Okay, call for defenses. I'm lagging a bit. Spread inside them. They're looking.
Get ready.
They're engaging. No. Walk
Ready,
inside
ready.
them now. Stay inside them. Hold them. 5 seconds. 5 on this choke. In 4, in 3, 2, 1. Hit this. I'm lagging. Hit the choke.
Pama.
Everybody go south now. Kite south now. I'm lagging a bit. Okay,
The real man is northeast.
Everybody
Try
go
to
south.
bedrock them away, like the D-tanks are coming from the
Everybody
west
go
side.
south on this
There's a
side.
bomb in the back.
Which back?
They engage northeast.
Look where I am. I'm lagging. Okay, Just look where I am. Look for me. 5, 4.
They're very deep west.
Oh my
They're very
god.
You are
I'm
stuck.
lagging.
Shadow, you are stuck.
Watch north. Watch
Yo.
north.
D-tanks was the
Stay
west.
near me. Stay near me.
The real man
me.
is still behind us.
Watch.
I'm
No.
reconnecting. Just wait. Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Look for me. Go back. Everybody spread here. Go back.
Railman northeast.
I know. Everybody turn northeast. Turn northeast. Walk full sprint northeast. Get ready. Sprint northeast.
Yes,
Give me your cult. Give me your cult, bro. Catch them. G or something. Okay, come back.
They engage in the back.
Leave it. Guys, didn't come back. Everybody come back.
Guys, coming too deep, man.
Natalie, you watch real man. Okay, when they come to us, you stop them.
They are
Okay, I pressed you.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm
Okay,
lagging.
tell me your series. It's okay. Tell me your series.
Please, Ready.
Walk. Just walk. I'm gonna fake. Okay, I'm lagging again, bro. This is fake.
Engage ready. Be careful.
Scare they have engaged now.
The real man behind us dismounted.
Okay. Just watch them, Nathlin. Everybody look for me. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. You guys miss. Everybody walk
Oh,
northeast. Oh,
Roman
walk
behind
northeast.
us.
Walk northeast. Walk northeast. I know. Walk northeast. Walk northeast. Didn't scare. We are pushing northeast. Okay.
Legit.
They engage.
I know.
I catch them, I catch them.
No. Don't catch them. Just scare them. Okay?
Ready. Engage ready.
You guys, when I'm moving D-tanks, you guys need to move with me, boys. You look for me. I'm gonna fake first. This is fake. This is fake. On me 5. On me 4. On me 3, 2, 1. Hit me now.
The
Nice
coming,
shit.
the Roman
Almost
coming,
kill.
the
Okay,
Roman
just
coming.
it's okay. That's my back. That's my back.
Defense,
That's my back. It's okay. They
Defense
can't do. They have
engage.
nothing. They have nothing.
Pikachu, move.
The real
He'll peek. Everybody turn southwest. We're gonna full push southwest now. Push southwest. Night armor, full push southwest. Look for me 5. Look for me 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. And listen, keep pushing southwest. Keep pushing them. They're low. Keep pushing them. Keep pushing them. And go south now. Demons be ready. Demons, go south.
Defend out,
And give
defend out.
them. Stay here and roll.
Engage ready, engage
Everybody
ready.
look. Go down this choke. Everybody on this choke.
You
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Give me the skills on the choke. Keep pushing them. I know Netlin just watch. And Netlin just watch. Hill layups in the back.
Very low, very low. They were very
Keep pushing southeast.
Bro,
Keep
second
pushing
button.
southeast.
3
Keep
seconds.
pushing
ABM
southeast.
like that, bro.
Netlin, follow us and just be ready to stop them. Everybody look for me.
Ready, ready.
Watching them.
I know, just walk. Look for me. Wait. Netlin, come back. You're too far. Everybody, 5, 4,
Roman
3,
behind
2, 1. Hit me now. Revive them now. Revive them here. Nice shit. Didn't hold real men now. Supports in the front. Keep pushing them there, Vibe. Keep pushing southeast. Give me your cult cleanse. Keep pushing southeast. They wipe southeast. Keep pushing southeast. And loot the bodies on the southeast. They're trying to mount us.
Ready.